Another day. Oh yeah. So today I'm gonna be doing maintenance on my fleet. Well, not all of them. I have one coming back for an oil change. So I'm gonna set everything up. Well, I already went to the parts store. Got the oil. Gotta do your oil changes. You know. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I maintain my cars. Well, I'm gonna show you one of them right now. One of them got back from a rental yesterday. This is one of them. That's one, and that's due to go out later on today. And my other one right here. And I'm still in my pajamas. Crazy. Here's my other one, little Ford Fiesta. Right? So this one is going out today. The guy's on his way to come pick it up. And yeah. Maintain the cars, maintain the cars, maintain the cars. Got my jack right here. Jack stand. Well, if you can see it, yeah, jack and jack stand. I always put a cardboard box. I do the maintenance myself on these cars. Because it's mainly just oil changes and tires. And this thing is still here. Still here. Like it doesn't want to leave yet. I'll give y'all an update on that some other time. Got my tools ready and handy. So now I'm just waiting on this car to show up from one of my renters. I'm gonna do an oil change on it because she is on the way. Yay, yay. Now when it comes to maintaining these cars, it costs. All right. Luckily, I'm the type of person where I do the maintenance myself, so I don't have to pay that labor cost. You know, it's cheaper, right? Like I did an oil change on it on this one, the Fiesta. Did that, and then it had a problem starting a couple months ago, and then it turns out it was the battery cable. I went out and bought a starter, put the starter in, still had the same problem. That was my fault, but it was just the cable, the battery cable. And then I went and I bought a new one because the old one was so corroded. So I bought a new one from Ford. Went down to Miami and picked it up. This one, the freaking Hyundai has this notorious issue, right? With their engines, they burn oil. They always do, right? This one, I had to take it back to the Hyundai dealership for them to replace the engine in it. And they replaced it for free. I had one renter, when he was driving the car, the engine just stopped working. So I had to take that one back. Took it over got a tow truck, took it over to the dealership, and they replaced the entire engine, got me a brand new engine in there. So I'm not getting rid of this car no time soon. You know what I'm saying? Not no time soon. And yeah, put on some new tires on it, did the brakes. And Hondas also have another problem with the calipers. The front right calipers, or well, both calipers, right? They'll seize up. And the car will still drive fine and brake and everything, but it'll seize up when you try to change the brake pads off. So I had to change the Hyundai that's coming back today for the oil change. I had to change off the caliper off of it the first time. The first time she came by for an oil change, I had to change off the caliper off of it. And then I had an oil change, you know. But I know maintenance is a big issue when it comes to renting out your vehicles. It's a very big issue because sometimes the money that you make, you see yourself spending it back on maintenance. You get a flat tire, you know, bent rim, big old accidents like that I'm looking at, you know. So, oh, here's the guy. I think this is his Uber. He's coming to pick the car up, the Ford Fiesta. he's here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check him in and send him on his way. Be right back. Nice. Off he goes. So that one is gone. Gone, gone, gone. Collect your deposits, people. Always collect it, because they will run them tolls and leave you screwed. But this guy seems like a stand-up guy, so nothing I'm really worried about. He most likely won't even run any tolls. You know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You later, I appreciate you.
All right. Oh.
Watch me come. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. All right. Ooh. All Hyundais do this. With the bulb. They blow out all the time. All these Hondas. That's what they do. Bye-bye. Now this one, someone's coming to pick it up later on. So, it should be good. I gotta put some tires on that one. Next time when she comes back, change off all full. Slap them on. But that's it for my maintenance day. And this is gonna go soon. This is my red Ford that I have. He has another rental that he's going out on. He just got back last night. And booked to go again in the morning, just today. Nice and clean. Just took it to the car wash. Got it cleaned out. This renter's gonna be here in a few. It's clean. Silver one is gone. Just my truck. There he goes. Off he goes. Go ahead, put the car in reverse. Thank you. Don't fuck the car up. Off he goes. Gone. Quick update. Quick on the update. The tow truck is coming today. And it's gonna take this one right here. Miss Betsy. I love my Betsy. You were my one and only. But yeah, they're gonna take it. They totaled it out. So tow truck comes later on, pick them up and move on with life, right? That's what we do. So that's the update. Now I'm about to hop in my car and go get me some breakfast, 'cause I am hungry. Yeah. Wow.